Jay Livingston, president of By the Yard Landscape. We've been in business 6 years. We're a sister company of Carolina Foundations, concrete company who do production houses mostly as our forte. So the job site today, we're moving a lot of mud, but usually we're in here grading, do fine grade. We have a rough grade crew that comes in when we do the foundations. They rough grade everything, get the swells right. Then we come in when it's time for close the house and we do all the final grade landscape installs, irrigation, and that's what the crews are in here doing today. We try to run equipment that's reliable and efficient, and Bobcat always seems to fall in that realm. So the new R Series, what I've gotten feedback from them is visibility in the cab. They say it's vastly improved over the last machines we've had. Horsepower to horsepower, they have more pushing power. You know, other than that, it's just, like I said, reliability of the machines. My sales guy at Bobcat of Charleston is Bob Whitley. I've known Bob 15 years, and it's just always been a great relationship. The service is always good. You know, they're a phone call away. Main selling point for us is the service. I mean, that's by far been the main selling point, that and the reliability of the machines.